Honda Civic, I'll show you how to get to your cabin filter. Go ahead and open up your glove box. There's going to be these stops right here. Stop your glove box from falling down. You're going to need to push the glove box in both sides, and that'll lower the glove box. Once you get that lowered, cabin filter is located in here. Now this cabin filter is probably going to be pretty dirty. I don't have a new one, but I'm going to have to order one. If you need one, I'll leave a link down in the description box down below. Just get your old one. Just yank it out. This one probably has about 40,000 miles on it, and it's pretty gross. So, go ahead and order one of these, and pretty much you just reinstall it in the reverse order. And that's pretty much it.